After adding the effect and observing the good quality in the preview, it's time to open this page by pressing the green render option. You will see two windows, current shot that only renders one shot, and the photo set that renders all the shots in the page. By activating the tick of each one, you can choose which shots to render. In this section, you can specify the rendering size. I use email size for test renderings and print size for final. If you use post-production software, activate these options so that these images are rendered for you as well.